What if I told you you can take a scanned document, change or replace any text and make it look brand new in just minutes? Let's dive into Photoshop and make it happen. As you can see in the document, the spelling of advance isn't correct. So let's fix it. Select the text tool from the toolbar and type in the correct word. Bring it closer to the original text and try to match it with the best available font. Here, it matches best with Times New Roman. Adjust the font size and once it fits perfectly, replace it with the original text. Next, go to the background layer and make a copy so we have a backup. Now, select the patch tool from the toolbar, highlight the text you want to remove and drag it to a cleaner area. But wait, it's not matching with the other fonts. In that case, let's first match its color. Then, right-click on the layer and convert it into a smart object. Now, go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Adjust the distance and angle. And once it looks right, hit OK. Here, you can see the difference. Adjust it further if needed. In the same way, you can change other text as well. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.